that was another video. Now I'm doing the eggs. Finished with the pancakes. I was gonna put some cheese in here, but I'm doing the eggs right now. Hope y'all been doing well. Now here go the pancakes. I made a lot of pancakes. Let me show them to you. My hands are clean. I had kind of like a little burnt thing on some of them. But it's okay because I'm going to scrape that off because I let that stay on there alone. But they still eatable. They looking good. Pancakes looking good. My grandbaby finna grub up to the big pancakes. Big pancakes. These are big pancakes. Yeah. I did all these pancakes. I made like 6. I think it was 6. Yeah, 6 pancakes. They looking good. Okay, now I'm about to put the egg in there. See my eggs. Make sure I put that in there. So they gotta start cooking. So I've been pretty much cooking this night. I'm supposed to be up. And y'all see I'm sounding sick. But I'm okay. I'm alright. Yeah. Got back from the hospital. All this stuff coming off me. They shot needles and everything in my veins. Yeah, they shot them in both of my veins. Yeah, right there, y'all see that red thing? Yeah. But I'm good, though. God is good. God is able with me. Yeah, so I'm just doing my cooking right now. But like I said, I'm going to be back with the video. I'm going to be back with the video, so stay tuned.